Hi, welcome back to my channel. I know recently I have been buying a lot of Coach stuff, and no exception, today is all about Coach as well. I have a couple of SLG I want to share with you. They are not exactly small, but it's not a bag. The first one is the one that I picked up at the Coach outlet. It was on their clearance and plus 15% off, so you can't find it cheaper than that unless it was used, so I decided to just go for it. This one is from their outlet collection. This is called Coach L-Zip Portfolio. So based on the name, as you can see, it zip all the way open here, and it has this very subtle Coach logo. Hope you can see. And then this thick, beautiful Pebble leather. The leather feel substantial, thick, and kind of supple. So I really love the leather on this one, even though it's from their outlet collection. So this is open up inside of this kind of a pouch product. It has this compartment, probably for your iPad if you have a standard size iPad. Probably not going to fit iPad Pro 12.9, but if you have a smaller iPad, it should fit. Or the other side also same, has this big pouch, big compartment. And then their standard 2 slip pocket, one pen pockets. Interestingly, it also comes with some kind of a credit card slots that's made with leather, smooth leather. It has 1, 2, 3, 4. So I guess you can put your business card, or if you are on the subway, you use subway, you can use your subway card or your bus or public transport card. It would be convenient. I think some people bought it probably for carrying their iPad or something, but since I have an iPad 12.9, so it doesn't really fit in. I bought it because I love the leather and I want to use it as kind of a wristlet and maybe use it when I travel with my totes. This kind of, they call it this portfolio. It doesn't come with a wristlet, but it does come with this kind of leather pull on the zipper. I was wondering if I was able to just punch a hole so that I can attach a strap to it. Have you all tried like modify Coach product and punching holes into your bags, your SLG? If you have experience in doing so, please share with me in the comments. I would like to know, because I don't want that if I punch a hole and it just fall apart. Hopefully not. And then I have another item that I ordered from the Coach outlet website. It was from their big retail bag drops. It's also a pouch, but this one is from their retail collection. Wow, they pack it really well. Look at that. Wow. Let's look at the graphic closer. I believe they call this the Coach 30 Rexy pouch. You do see a lot of this dinosaur design and graphic on many of Coach products. And they have many different ones, but Rexy is kind of one of my favorite. I believe that a lot of people love Rexy. And at the back is the black smooth leather. I don't know how to explain it, but the leather on this pouch feel like it really high quality leather. I wish I see this kind of leather in many of their bags. This feels different. And inside of the pouch is very simple, just have a zip pocket basically. I don't think it has anything else inside other than their story patch. And then at the back it has this logo embossed on the leather. So comparing, they are pretty similar in size. The Rexy pouch is slightly smaller. One pebble leather, one smooth leather. This one, it does come with a wristlet, so you are able to just carry it as like lunch out with friends or running errands. It's big enough to carry most of the stuff you need, like your wallet, your phone, and stuff. So I'm going to try to do that instead of carrying my bag sometimes, because we don't really need big bag all the time. So really glad to able to buy this one, and I'm so excited. I think this is probably the first Rexy product I own. I've been wanting to try to get some Rexy graphic Coach products, but I feel like it's just not my style and maybe too playful for me. But I like this one. This one is kind of a monotone, like a little bit of a grayscale Rexy, and it's more subtle. It's not so loud in terms of the graphic. And I love how this leather just smooth and slightly shiny. Wow, I'm really impressed with this pouch. Now if I see more on the outlet website, I'll grab another one, hopefully. So that's it. Today's what I wanted to share with you are these two pouches. I hope this inspired you to buy and use more pouches. Thanks again, and I'll talk to you again soon. Thank you. Bye bye.